So today we're going to be turning this blank wall space on my patio into a vertical garden. We're going to be using these felt plant pockets, which are lightweight and pretty easy to install. The plan is to do 4 panels across the bottom of the wall and then fill the remaining space up top with smaller pieces of our extra panels. We've chosen a mix of low to medium light tolerant plants for this project because they will be located under this pergola here. And this whole space in general is still a work in progress, so our goal with this wall garden is to make it a little more lush and inviting out here. So to get started, we're going to secure the panels to the wall using a concrete drill bit and screws. We're going to attach our bottom panels first, and then we'll finish by breaking down our extra panels into smaller sections to fill the top space of the wall. So we have all of our panels up now. You can see they've almost completely filled the space here. And we have 60 pockets in total, and we're hoping that we have enough plants to fill them all up. So these are some of the plants that we're going to be using. We have a few different types of bromeliads, some ferns, some pothos, some philodendron. We're also going to be throwing in some succulents and cuttings from plants that we have in our yard here too. Now we're ready to start planting. We're going to be working our way around in no specific order, but rather just making sure we evenly distribute our different varieties of plants until we have it completely filled in. So we're all finished up. We're pretty happy with how it's turned out, and it was pretty easy to plant too. It's really lush already, and we've got a good variety of plants here that are going to fill in really nicely over time. We're going to give it a good watering, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Using these felt plant pockets